All right, welcome back to the Black Collar Cartel. Here, what we're doing today is just talking real quick about there's a constitution that has tons of analysis that's part of it. So if you go to GPO Conan 2022 PDF, that'll pull up the Constitution of the United States of America. Analysis and interpretation, this thing is 2,780 pages long. So it is a heavily biased document. You know, it like almost entirely skips the fact that the 14th Amendment was put in place due to like Reconstruction efforts. So there's not really any mention in that, at least in the first 1,000 pages that I've gone through. So don't take it as a complete gospel, but despite that, it's 2,780 pages. And this thing is like the most reference rich document freaking out there. You know, you start going, every single page is going to have 20, 30 references. Maybe not that many, but, 10 to 30 references down at the bottom. Some of these things, some of the pages are just like streams of references. So, sometimes when you're getting going, you want something that's simpler than this. But when you get more into your studies and trying to figure out like, well, what should I study next? What should I cover? What do I need? A giant document like this that has the entire Constitution in it, but then also, this is the kind of thing that you can reference, right? Like, hey, Judge, I know you don't care at all what I have to say, but this is the GPO, the Government Printing Office. This is from this is like from an order of Congress to go put this document together. This is like a congressionally approved document. So if you don't like what I have to say, I'm sorry because I'm referencing this. So don't take my word for it, take their word for it, and I'm just sharing this with you. Then in addition to this, they update this thing every so often. So there's a 2024 supplement. So if you Google GPO Conan 2024 supplement, then you can get this 482 page text that is now just, this is starting to talk about some of the Supreme Court cases that have come about recently, or some of the like more recent hearings, or anything that might pertain to what's already been discussed, but now it's sort of new law or new case law or new rules or regs. All of that stuff is referenced in here. So I wasn't going to go through this thing in its entirety, but this is a really important doc, and I thought that you guys should have access to this and know that it exists. And if you're out there and you're trying to go battle with totally corrupt state court judges and state court process and people that don't obey or abide by federal supremacy, hit them with this, and take some time, go through it, go through the references. Don't just skip all the references. The meat of what you're going to look for is in there. So this thing is handy. It's giant. It's a giant time sink. But if you want to know what rights you have, a good place to start is the people that are arguing what they are. I don't know that I would trust this thing entirely. I would want to go do my own work and my own references, my own interpretation. But this is a great place to start, and I thought you guys should know about it. Good luck out there while you're facing the black collar